Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests of my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to change the name of your iPhone. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. First we need to go to settings. After that we need to go to general and here we need to click about. And here you can click name. And here you can delete the old name and enter new name. For example, iPhone Tech. And click done. And that's all. You changed your name. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone. See you later.